Hello everyone, welcome at SudhirEyeCoach, a channel for emerging and budding ophthalmologists. This is the platform where I share videos just to give a thought if you are learning the cataract surgery. So today I'm sharing a challenging surgical video involving a grade 4 or 5 hard nucleus cataract with a non-dilating pupil. Let me start by saying for beginners, adequate pupil dilation is absolutely essential before you begin phacoemulsification. If the pupil is small and you are still learning, there is a high risk of catching the iris with your phaco-tip, which is definitely not, it makes the surgery difficult, but also causes the pupil to constrict even further and complicating the things. Here in this case, I managed the entire surgery without any pupil expansion devices, thanks for my 20 years of phaco experience. But for those who are still learning, I strongly advise not to attempt such cases without proper pupil dilation. Always be ready to use pupil expanders or rings if needed before starting the case. And the reason I am sharing this video is to demonstrate how such situations can still be managed in cases if you find yourself in the middle of the surgery and the pupil becomes smaller. Inserting a pupil expander or any kind of iris hooks or during phaco can be tricky. So if you stay calm and composed, you can still complete the surgery safely. And here are some key surgical tips for managing small pupils in hard cataracts. First, that keep your phaco tip centered at all times. Use the second instruments actively to bring nuclear pieces towards the center and to shield the iris from the phaco tip. Use low phaco settings to minimize fluid turbulence. Be gentle with the foot pedal. Sudden surge in fluid can easily catch the iris. Keep your focus on the pupil margins, the phaco tips at all times. Never perform any maneuvers blindly. Avoid going under the iris or doing anything out of the view. If you follow these precautions, even a tough case like this can be completed successfully with the small pupil. So watch the video carefully. I hope it helps you in understanding how to stay composed and make smart decisions even in the challenging situations. If you have any comments or suggestions, I would love to hear them. And if you have not already subscribed the channel yet, please subscribe the channel, because your support motivates us to keep sharing more and more such valuable surgical experiences. Enjoy the video. Thanks for watching.